Hey, thanks for checking this video out. I've been working on a lot of new content for developers here on my YouTube channel. My focus is really centers around Ionic framework, but since Ionic framework supports multiple platforms, specifically React, Angular, and Vue, what I kind of do is mix in how you use those technologies or frameworks under the umbrella of all the Ionic packages that they have that allows you to take your web experience and push it over and develop mobile solutions, PWAs. So as you can see, if you love React, I got a bunch of React stuff here. I got some Vue stuff here. I have some curated playlists with specific solutions all embedded in them. And I guess what I want to say is this is the place to come if you want to find some Ionic content. If you're new to Vue, I cover some intro stuff. If you already have Vue experience, but you're coming over to Ionic, then I kind of show it to you the other way. And it's the exact same way. Now we get past the Vue stuff. You can come down here and you can see all the React content that's here. So stop by, check out what we have. If it's something that you find interesting, please make sure you like and subscribe. And if you kind of want to know what's going on in my head about what I do, why I do, what I do, and why I do it, down here I have a vlog, which are some of my videos that are around my In3 Talks podcasts, which talk about the work I do, focus on entrepreneurship and underrepresented communities, but it's also how I see the importance of technology there. So once again, check out my YouTube channel. Just Google Aaron Saunders at YouTube or check the link in the bio. Hope I see you there soon, and make sure you say hi. Later. Bye.